Hey, Sabrina Phillips here with Designing Women of Orange County, and I'm super excited to be here actually with a friend of mine who I am helping wallpaper her bathroom. We're going to show you some tips and tricks, I hope, of what to do and what not to do when wallpapering. So right now we have this all primed. This room was a really bold orange color, so we primed it before we put up this kind of a faux, what is this, grass cloth, thank you. And so here's one of the first tips I'll give you is that when you are hanging wallpaper, you want to begin hanging it on a wall in an area that you're not going to see very much. So you're coming in here, you're going to see all this. You do not want to start right here, just in case that's where you make your biggest mistake. So start over here and away from your main entry, and you're going to wrap it around on the wall, not butt into, because I can even see on this wall here, this is uneven here. And so that can really show up if you don't go ahead and wrap it around. And then up here, above here, we're not going to end it here, right here along this edge. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up here, about an inch or two in here. So another thing, it just kind of tricks the eye and makes for a better application. So stay tuned and we will show you how it's done, hopefully.